the Merrill C115 Plunger. It will work for the models G4000, W5000, and the E5000 series Merrill Yard Hydrants. We'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here. So the plunger itself will be that hard rubber material, and then it'll come down to that metal rod here, and of course those internal female threads. So we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of it, starting with a total length. And you can see it measures right above an inch. Then if we measure just that rubber piece there, you can see it measures right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then we can get an inner diameter here at those threads, and that'll measure right at about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the Merrill C-115 Plunger.